What's going on, y'all? Oh yeah, I know y'all see these tacos. They were so tasty. So tasty. Beef tacos, y'all. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Let's get it. And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. What's that you say? That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if this is your first time here, glad you're here. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Cause we love tasty. First thing we need to do, go ahead and fill the pot up with some water. Get it on that stove. Turn that stove on to high and get that water to boil. Now while we waiting for that water to come up to a good boil, we're gonna start dicing our round steak. So we're just basically dicing this. That's all, y'all. Just a good dice. Once we get it all diced up, we're gonna spread it around our cutting board. Then of course, you know we got a rain on it. Hit it with that salt. Oh yeah. Season it up, y'all. Season it up. Don't be shy with that salt either. And then we're gonna get it into that boiling water. Once we get our beef in, it's time to get that seasoning in. Now we're gonna start off with some chili powder. We're gonna add in a tablespoon of that chili powder. Next up is gonna be our oregano. Now we're gonna do about a tablespoon of that also. Now it's time to come in with our ground allspice. Now this we're gonna add in about a half a tablespoon. That allspice can be a strong flavor, so don't overdo it, y'all. Now we're coming in with our cayenne, the cayenne. And we're gonna do a half a tablespoon of that also. Now if you like yours a little bit more spicy, go ahead and add a little bit more. Now we simply gonna give this a mix, bring it back up to a boil, and let it simmer for about an hour, hour and a half. However long it takes to get that top round tender. Now this is what we're looking like after an hour and a half. See how that beef got tender? The top round can be one tough piece of beef, y'all. But we got it good and tender here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So next thing, we're gonna grab our Spritz. Hit up our griddle. And get on our corn tortilla shells, y'all. And we simply just gonna warm those up. Flip them around until they ready. And get them off that griddle. Like I say, you can toast these as hard or as soft as you want. You can just get a little heat on them if that's all you want to do. But anyway, let's get our beef on them tacos. Oh yeah, I like mine with a lot of beef, y'all. Kind of greedy. But after I get mine loaded up with that beef, Now, first thing I want on mine is a little bit of this fresh tomato salsa. Now, you can use any salsa of your choosing. Then I'll come in with me a couple of red onions, diced, some lettuce, some cheese. Now this here is sharp cheddar. And then I'm coming in with my cilantro mayo. And a little bit of that habanero mayo for that spice. Now, of course, I had rice and black beans with my tacos. But look at this store, y'all. Look at the store of this show. Oh my goodness, look at that taco. Don't it look good? Let's go ahead and get us a bite, y'all. Get us a bite. So tasty, y'all. So tasty. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.